Cebu, located in the Philippines, has a vibrant and diverse food culture that reflects its rich history and influences from various culinary traditions. Here are some key aspects of Cebu's food culture. Lechon. Cebu is renowned for its lechon, a whole roasted pig. Cebu-style lechon is highly regarded and considered one of the best in the country. The pig is stuffed with herbs and spices, roasted over an open fire, resulting in a crispy skin and flavorful meat. Seafood. As an island province, Cebu offers an abundance of fresh seafood. You can find a variety of fish, shellfish, and crustaceans prepared in different ways, such as grilled, steamed, or fried. Local favorites include grilled squid, canilo ceviche, and fish sinigang sour soup. Dried fish. Cebuanos are fond of dried fish, known locally as bawad. These salted and sun-dried fish come in various types, such as danggit, pusit squid, and tambon sardines. They are commonly enjoyed for breakfast or as a side dish with rice. Chicharon. Cebu is famous for its chicharon, deep-fried pork rinds. The Cebuano version is known for its crispiness and flavorful seasoning. Chicharon is often eaten as a snack or used as a topping for various dishes. Dried mangoes. Cebu is renowned for its sweet and tangy dried mangoes, made from ripe mangoes grown in the region. They are a popular local snack and a favorite souvenir for visitors. Street food. Cebu has a bustling street food scene. You can find a variety of street stalls offering grilled meat skewers, barbecue, fish balls, tempura, and puso hanging rice wrapped in woven coconut leaves. Street food is an affordable and flavorful option for locals and tourists alike. Native delicacies. Cebu is home to a range of native delicacies, including bibingka rice cake, budbud kabag, sticky rice cake wrapped in banana leaves, and masarial, a chewy sweet made from ground peanuts and sugar. These delicacies are often enjoyed as snacks or desserts. Chinese and Spanish influences. Cebu's food culture also reflects influences from Chinese and Spanish cuisines. Chinese restaurants offering dim sum and noodle dishes are popular, as are Spanish-inspired dishes like paella, caldereta meat stew, and empanadas. Overall, Cebu's food culture is a delightful fusion of local flavors, fresh seafood, roasted meats, and a variety of snacks and sweets. The province's culinary scene offers a diverse range of dishes that cater to different tastes and preferences. Subscribe and like. Thank you.